Hello friends, this is Harvey from Geek to DIY, and today we're going to be changing the air filter on my Cub Cadet mower. I also noticed that when I went to go change the air filter that the cooling fan has filled with debris, so I decided to make sure I cleaned that off first. I tried pretty hard to get that grill cover off the cooling fan, and I could not get it off without, marring the side of it and stuff. So what I decided to do was enlist a vacuum and a wire, and just kept poking at the top of it, and then also from the underneath inside that grill to loosen up the debris and take it out with the vacuum. As you can see, it was coming out. Wasn't too hard to do that, but I wanted to get all that stuff out of there. And thankfully, the vacuum had enough suction to get that stuff off. Once I got it completely off, then I decided to take the air compressor, blow a little bit of air on the other side, and get the rest of the loose stuff out of there and clean it off really good. With it clean, as you can see, next step is to get the air filter up. The air filter cover has two clips, both on the front of the mower, one on the left, one on the right. One hand that I just grab the one clip and push it outwards, and the same thing to the other side, and that loosens the housing cover. Then grab it from the center and pull it straight up. It doesn't come off, you turn it, try to wiggle it to the side and all that. It just only comes out if you pull it straight up. It gives us now full access to the air filter. The air filter I have on here actually is a 2-season air filter. Not that it says it on the manual or anything. I left it on for 2 seasons, and I've seen a lot of people do the same thing. Just take it, clean it up, and put it back on. If you want to change it more often, go for it. But I found that if you clean them up, they're nice and done. So as you can see, block the debris coming in because you do not want that kind of stuff getting inside the engine. And these filters have a 2-stage filtration system. They have that one that wraps around it, usually gets the debris off of it, away from coming into the curls from the fiber, from the filter itself. And I took it off. So now if you look at that one versus the brand new one, look at the color difference. It's 2 seasons with it. And also look at the color difference of the foam that goes around the outside. Much, much brighter. So I'm glad this time around we're going to change that air filter out. Just make sure there was no debris left over when you took out the old filter. Otherwise, get it out with the vacuum. And then grab your filter once you've put it together and put that foam on it. And then push it nice and gently, but securely onto the place it was before. They hit on very snug, so that way nothing gets past it. And you see me just pushing down and just keep pushing down until you feel it goes all the way down to the bottom. With the filter in place, then go ahead and get your cover and put your cover on. Don't try to force the sides closed. You're going to see I'm going to try and do the one side and then hold in and try and do the other side and push in. If I would have pushed that clip in, it probably would have broke the clip. So try one side. Make sure you got it down far enough. If not, take the cover back off and go push the filter down some more. It just means you just don't have it down all the way. First time I changed it, I tried doing that and almost broke the clip. So again, try pushing it down. Make sure it's down all the way. All the way. If you can't get it in, try one side. Try one side of that clip that holds the cover. Okay? And hold it down before you wind up pushing the other one down. It makes no sense breaking the clip or breaking the cover. And with that, we are done changing the air filter on our mower. Okay, just so you guys know, obviously I have a Collier engine. Like I said, this is a Cub Cadet. It's an LT46, the XT1 series. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe and follow me for other videos in DIY and geek related stuff too. Thank you all for watching. Till all are one.